So we're back with it now assembled most of the way. We still need to glue it and everything. We dry fitted everything together for now. You've got your outer cover and your inner cover, which we will just set those to the side for now. So the Supers actually have a frame rail that has got spacers built into it for 8 frames. They give you a couple extras. It looks like an extra set of them for your hive. One box I went ahead and put in some frames we already had around. And they fit in there, as you can see, pretty good. Space, so you don't have to worry about spacing. So
overall, I'm impressed.
It's a lot better built than I expected whenever I've seen them before.
So far, my only complaint is about the handbook saying the glue's on 22 and
yes,
it's on 26.
We did find out that the owner's manual tells you to refer to page 22 for glue instructions, and it's actually on page 26.
And for that being the only complaint, that's barely a complaint.
Which we need to read more of the owner's manual. But I'm sure throughout the summer, Tracy will do more videos on this. I may or may not be part of. And we'll follow along and see how it does. I'm actually impressed and want to see how this does.
I'm impressed too.
So,
I also gotta learn how to talk on camera.
thank you, Primal Bee, to demo and try out one of your hives.